Welcome back to my channel Tech It's Simple everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Gusto's employee account. So follow the steps, which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It's Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is you want to search for Gusto Employee Login and click on the first thing where it says Gusto Login Payroll Benefits HR. Once you're in this page, you need to fill up your form, like you need to enter your email ID over here. And then you need to enter the password of your account over here. And then you need to click on Sign In. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into your Gusto's employee account. But remember this: if you don't remember your email or your passport or for GoStar account, you can always click going to having trouble signing in. And it's going to ask you or help you to recover your email or your passport. And you can also log in into your Gusto employee account using Google Zero and Intuit. Right? It's your choice. And if you guys have not yet created a Cost to Employ account, you can always click on Don't Have an Employee Account over here. And it's going to take you to the page where you guys can create yourself an employee account for Gusto as well. So that's how we guys can log in into a Gusto employee account. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. See you guys next time.